Ask and you shall receive. My All May Primer did not show up, so that's what that was.
I'm coming down to the end of a few foundations, so that's about enough.
If you want a complete list of the products that I use, just let me know in the comments below. I try to show the best I can throughout this video. I am just putting on my foundation here, and I don't use a lot. Next, I'll be adding my highlighter, and I use different ones because I'm trying to get rid of my stash. So this is the particular one that I'm using today. And when applying makeup, the thing to remember is to always blend. Once you get your placement down, be sure to blend. Blend out those edges so you don't have any harsh lines. When you have harsh lines, your makeup isn't seamless once you set it with the powder, which is coming up. If you haven't already, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more microlocks and makeup. My makeup usually takes me about 20 minutes to complete. The most time-consuming part about doing makeup is just blending it out so everything is seamless. And here you see me going in with my drugstore powder. All of the products I use are drugstore. I did use MAC. That was my go-to foundation, but the foundation I used to wear has been discontinued, so. And I just haven't taken the time to find another one. I've just been going through my stash and using what I have because I have a lot of makeup and trying to get rid of everything. As you can see, I've hit pan because I use my makeup to the very end, and this is just to bring back some warmth to the face so everything doesn't look so flat. When it comes to my nose, I don't use another brush or anything like that. I just take what's left over on the brush and try to give a little bit of shape to my nose. Here I'm going into the blush with this particular palette, and I also like the highlighter in this palette, though I use different ones. I use different products, different brands, but I have the same routine for my makeup. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, and that is the setting spray. The spray just brings everything together, and yes, that much spray is necessary. Not necessary, but what I like to do to set my face to look fresh all day. Where them fans at? I couldn't resist. Now it's time for the brows. I like to brush them up a little bit before I use my Old Faithful to line my brows and give them just a little bit of shape. When I'm going to work, I don't spend that much time on it, but if I'm really trying to get cute, I'll spend some time on really shaping my brows and cleaning them up. But when I'm going to work, I just put a little color on there and I go on about my business. And I really like this eyebrow pencil because it helps to lay down my brows as well when I shape them, and it doesn't break easily. I don't have the best luck with other brands because the tip or the color part, it breaks easily. And my NYX, that's just one of many eyebrow, I honestly don't even know what to call it at this time. Tint, setter, primer, I don't even know. But to lay my eyebrows down so they'll stay in place all day. That's just one of many. And then my wing, and this is the best, the Maybelline. I have it in my shorts, but to have a sharp, easy to do wing liner that works every time is that. Here I'm adding my mascara, which is usually my last thing that I do, and I put my lip gloss on after right before I start to do my hair because I don't like to have crusty lips on camera. And that is my look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Bye.